Celebrate childhood with Gauravi Jadhav. If you like my videos on my channel, please do like, comment and share with the people in your lives, and please do subscribe and encourage others to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for seeing this video and for supporting me. So the story today, the next story from my children's lives is a story that has taught me a lot of lessons about life, about children. So the story is the bumpy bus ride. This happened around 4 or 5 years ago. My younger one was around 3.5, 4 years old, and we were traveling to a village. So we were going through those roads which were quite bumpy, which were not well made, and we were traveling by a ST bus, the state transport bus of Maharashtra. So as we were traveling, I realized that in that bus, in one of the seats, there is a part, how those metal parts just chip off the side of the handles or the side bars of the seats. One metal part had come out, and I told my husband also, see, it's quite sharp. We should be careful. अगर हमारे बच्चों को लग गया तो if something happens. And my husband said, please don't even think like that. So many times it has happened when we think such things and it happens to our kids. Guess what must have happened? It was in the middle of the journey and the bus was taking these twists and turns. And as it turned, my daughter had gotten up from the seat and she was about to go to another seat. As they play sometimes in the bus. And she lost her balance and she banged the backside of her head onto that metal piece. So first we thought she's just hit it. But after around a few seconds after the collision happened, she began crying and shouting like anything. So my husband just took her and he kept his handkerchief on her head. And when he took out the handkerchief, it was full of blood and she was bleeding profusely because of the cut that had happened when she, hit onto that metal piece that had come off. And I went into a fit of rage, into a fit of trauma, and I started overreacting, and I started crying and telling, stop the bus, let us take her to the hospital. So there was no hospital nearby, we had to wait. So we kept her head low, so the bleeding had stopped till the meantime, and the entire handkerchief was filled with blood. Then when we reached a place where there was a nursing home, we got off the bus immediately, took her to the doctor, and my child was quiet for some time. But as she lifted her head again, the blood started flowing, and I panicked and she panicked, looking at me more than the actual injury that had happened. And she had to be, the doctor said we'll have to stitch it, and he was not going to give her anesthesia. He was just going to stitch because it was just 3-4 stitches, not more. And as he did that, I remember she was shouting like anything and she called the doctor mad, she cursed all of us, and all of that happened. Then he gave her medicine and things like that. And after an hour or two, she was quiet and she was calm. She demanded for a lollipop, we gave her a lollipop, she took the lollipop and she was fine. And I was upset and angry and enraged for the next 2 days. Now what did I learn from this story? 3 very important things. First, children are extremely resilient. What had to happen with her happened at that time. And she forgot after 2-3 hours she was completely fine. And in the following days she recovered, healed, the wound healed, the bleeding stopped, everything was okay. She took the medicines and she was alright. And the only reason that she ended up reacting so much was because I reacted a lot. So this was my second lesson. That when accidents will happen, right? Children will go through what they have to go through. Unexpected things, uncertain things will happen in life. If I react too much, my child will respond accordingly. So that was my second lesson. That yes, children are resilient, they will fight back. I need to curtail my responses. And when I look back at the experience, this is the third thing that I learned from it. What I think about my children, I will see a reflection of that eventually, in some way or the other in life. And that is exactly where I'm very, very cautious about what I think about my children, what I say about them. At many a times, even if I have not said it, even if I think negative and I think, oh, this might happen, that might happen, it eventually does happen. And we simply need to be aware of these facts of life. Hope you liked my story, my dear friends. Please do keep watching out for more stories on the channel. Thank you.